What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I have the Kraton 4S V2. Also got the Traxxas Max wide body V2. No, well, this is a V2 remade, and an Armor Outcast 4S V2.5. What I'm doing today, I'm up here at the skate park. I'm gonna get this started. Let's get into it. Starting off with the steering off a little bit. Still click. Oh, the steering is way off. Oh, it's not my I don't know why it's clicking.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
That's something up. I don't know what I did here. I think I knocked it loose from that hard impact. Nothing is broke, but get back into that in a minute. Got the Max out. See what I can do with this. Maybe they'll last longer. Oh, this thing is a beast.
Well done.
That chassis set was hard. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, it outlasted the Kraton. You can ride on that. Oh, come on. Something wrong with the steering. Oh. Come on. Try to launch it over that gate. Perfect. And she landed outside the gate. That was a crazy jump. Oh, she over there. Yeah, but my steering is acting up on me. Perfect. Yeah, steering is. Yo, this thing is a beast. I jacked up the steering though. Steering is all jacked. But we gonna pull out that Outcast. Oh! See, I didn't do no damage. I thought I broke the chassis, but guess I didn't. Perfect.
Yo, check this out.
Ooh. Yo, something is definitely broke. Yeah, I blew a shock tower, blew a tire. So the Max survived that. See who's the most durable. But as always, hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. And I'm out.